Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So I am confounded, confused, befuddled, perplexed. Choose your synonym. Spoke shave from Free Tool Friday 3 weeks ago. The first winner did not respond. So I picked another winner who hasn't responded. I know, Walter. People have more to do with their lives than watch your Free Tool Friday. Well, then why reply? Why put the hashtag shave in the comment section if you're not going to reply and respond and give me your address so I can tell you what the shipping's going to be? Why? Why bother? What am I doing wrong? Can somebody please tell me what I'm doing wrong? It's a free tool, and it's Friday. I don't know. It's got to be me, or it's a sign of the times. I mean, years ago, when we would enter a raffle or something, we would expect to win, or we wouldn't enter. Or sometimes we would enter a raffle just to support the organization raffling something off. But this is blatantly a free tool. It's not even a raffle. It's a random generator, I understand that. So, we are going to try one last time. If you need or want this spoke shave, in the comments section, well, first, like, subscribe, and share. Second, in the comments section, put hashtag shave, SHAVE. That's it. And next Friday, which will be the first Friday in September, I will choose a winner. After that, I am just going to have to keep it, I guess. It works perfectly fine. I want somebody to use it. If someone can explain it to me, I'm all ears. Well, two of them. If you want this spoke shave, hashtag shave in the description, down in the comments, okay? Down in the comments. Shave. If you want this, it's free. All you have to do is pay the shipping. Ah. Walter out.